Hi students and dear viewers, I am here today to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2018 May-June paper 2-2 document part. In this question paper, document is split into two tasks, task 2 and task 4. So here is task 2 and then we have task 4. So we are going to start first with task 2. And we will open first of all our evidence document to prepare for screenshots. So here is a file name G228 evidence. We need to have our name, center number, candidate number on every page. So we will minimize this one and we will open the file here, evidence, and then we will include the information here on every page, like your name, then your center number, and then your candidate number. That's it. Now save this one as with your candidate number at the end and save it as a Word document. Click on save. The document is saved now. Next step is that using a suitable software package, open the file G228 apparent.rtf. So we'll open this file here, and then the page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation to 2 cm margins. So do not make any changes to these settings. So we have nothing to do with the page margins. Let's start with saving the document in your work area with the file name fact sheet. So we are going to save our file with the name fact sheet. So file, save as, then click on browse, move to your folder as I have created one, and then save it as fact sheet and Word document. Save it, and next step is we need a screenshot evidence of the file name with the type we have saved. So here is our file fact sheet. We'll click on print screen and we'll open our evidence document here, and we'll just paste the first evidence, and then if it is required you just crop it so that we can make the file, or we can make the picture, bigger, just like that. So the file name and that type is clearly visible. Next step is that place in the header your name, center number and candidate number left align. So we will open our fact sheet here, insert a header. So here on the left side our name, then center number, capital, and then after 0 to 97, just accurate like that. And here at the right side they mention here on the right page number. So click on page number, then go to the current position and click on number, remove the center one, close, and next step is place in the footer an automated file name with the path right align. So insert a footer now, and the right side of the footer you need to go to quick parts, field, and then you need to look for file name here, and then just click on add path to it. So this is the file name and path. So we delete this one, we don't need this at all, close. And next step is make sure all the alignments match the page margins. No other text is included in the header footer area, and then header footer displayed on every page. Just cross check, just the information they said we have inserted that only, and does it appear on every page? Yes, it is. Fine. Let's move forward. Create and store the following style basing each on the default paragraph style. So now we need to create the styles. So we'll click on the fact sheet here, and then we will just click at the end here, and then we'll click on style tab, and then we have an option called create style. We will name the style TA title, then we will modify accordingly. Sans serif with 30 font size. Sans serif, so it is the best example, and the font size is 30. And then center line, bold and italic as well. Bold, italic and center align, and single line spacing before and after, zero spacing. So for format paragraph, before and after spacing 00 and single line spacing. Click on OK. Click on OK. Style is created. Now TA subtitle. So create a style with the name TA subtitle. Let's modify it. Sans serif with 18 font. Sans serif 18. Left align. Underline only. No bold, no italic, only underline. And then single line spacing before and after. So format, just to cross check everything is perfect. Done. One more style with the TA subhead, and then we'll click on create a style. We'll name the style TA subhead, and then this must be again sans serif 18. Sans serif, and it is 18. Must be center align this time. Center align and bold and italic. Bold, italic, no underline, and after spacing is 9 this time. So format paragraph, after spacing they mention here 9, the rest is single and 0. Click on OK. Okay, done. Now one more style with the TA body. So we will create another style with TA body, modify it. It must be serif with 12 point this time. So serif times New Roman and 12 is the font size. Then justified and single line spacing. For justified, you click on format paragraph and choose here alignment, justified, and before and after spacing 00. Sorry, after spacing is 6. Then just click on OK. And no enhancement, none of them is bold or italic. No italic. Click on OK. And then the next step is that we need TA bullet. One more style. Create style TA bullet. Modify, and this one we want sans serif with 14 point. Sans serif with 14, and then after we want this one to be bullet indent 2 centimeter from left and italic, and the bullet is a tick. So numbering, bullet is a tick, and format paragraph indented by 2 centimeter from the left. And then before and after spacing is 0. Just click on OK and then click on OK. That is done. And then the last step is that to create TA table. So we need TA table now. So create a style with the name TA table. It must be serif with 12 point times New Roman 12 point, and then no enhancement, no bold, no italic, and before and after spacing is 0, 0. And single line. So click on OK. OK, style is created here, and then modify this one. It is still like a bullet, so numbering and none. Click on OK. No bullet this time. Let's move forward, and then we need the screenshot of the TA subhead paragraph style. So right click, modify, print screen this one, and then save this one here into your evidence document as evidence 2, and then just crop only the paragraph style, make it maximize now, bigger like that. And then the next step is display these custom style name as a list in the style manager organizer. So it means you need to click here and then you will get all the list names, print screen, click on close and then go to your evidence document and paste this one as evidence 3. Crop it to remove the unnecessary part of the picture here, just like that. Even if you want to crop this one, it's okay. You just make this one bigger. So each file style name is visible now. Next step is at the start of the document you need to enter this title and then you need to apply TA title style to it as well. So we'll go to the top, click here and just paste it and then make this one with the TA title style. We need to apply to it TA title style, this one. And next step is enter your name immediately after the subtitle produced by and apply the TA subtitle style to it. So here you just type your name and then select this one, apply TA subtitle style to it. That's it. Sorry, we'll get back this one to the original position here. Yeah, just like that. And next step is to apply the TA body style to the rest of the document. So from this point onward we will apply TA body style to the document and then change the page layout so that the subheading structure and all the following text is displayed in 2 equally spaced columns with 2 centimeter space between them. So from structure onward, yes, from this point till the end, we need to distribute the text into 2 equally spaced columns, just like that. Layout, columns, more columns, 2, and the space between them is 2 centimeter. So now this is how it will look like. Yes, there's a blank page, so just get rid of it. Maybe we'll need this one, that one as well. At the moment it look like this now, and here they have mentioned next that apply the TA bullet style to the list immediate till 6, level 6 and 7. So immediate to level 6 and 7, apply the style TA bullet, this one, and then here identify the 5 subheading in the document and apply the TA subheading style to it. So that is 1, then we have 2, 3, 4, 1, yes, then 2, this is the 5th one, and apply the TA subhead style to it. Just one thing I'm going to check, is it bold and italic? Yeah, it is. Now you need to create a graph now using the TJ228 advertisement file here, advert, this one, a vertical bar graph for higher apprenticeship for the year 2013 to 2016. So here we just need to click on this one, and then we just need to select this data, this column, then insert a chart and a normal chart here, just like that. Next step is label the chart with this label. So we will click here and we will have the label as they mentioned, and then format the axis with the maximum 3600. So right click, format axis with the maximum 3600 and increment 600. So the major increment is here 600. That's it. Just like that. Now click on close, and next step is label the category axis with the title year. So here we need to title the year, but it shows here 1, 2, 3. It should show 2013, 14 and the others. So select data for it, and now we edit this one with this row. Click on OK, click on OK, and then we need to have axis title. So we need horizontal here, and we just type here year. Yeah, year. And then after, next step is do not display the legend, so we don't have legend. Now insert the chart after the paragraph ending seen in the following paragraph. So what we need to do, we just need to copy this chart now, and we'll go to our fact sheet, and we will just save this one or just paste it after the paragraph as they have mentioned seen in the following graph, and then just click on paste. So you can see the graph is here now, and then they said you check that all the labels are fully visible. Yes, it is. And then next step is import the image J228 sign.png and place this below the subtitle produced by. So here we have produced by, produced by, just here the subtitle produced by. So we click on insert now, and then we'll click on picture. We'll go to desktop, to our folder, and assign, just like that. And then after, this picture must be 4 centimeter wide. So here the width is 4, and then after must be aligned to the left margin and the top of the paragraph, and apparent is ship is real job. Just click here, then text wrap square, close, and now just try to fix this picture to the top of the line, just like that. And next step is the text wrap around, and then save the document with the same file name and format using step 1. So I'm just going to click on save. The document part is ended here, but you see they did not ask you to print it, because we will continue this in document 4 part. So in document 4 part here, that is task 4 document 2, as we have already our fact sheet here, this is our fact sheet. Now what we need to do is import the extract you saved in step 24 in your fact sheet document as a table after the paragraph which ends vacancies available are. So we have already our RTF file here. We just open this one, export it, then just copy, and we'll go to our fact sheet here, vacancies are, so we'll just paste this one there. Yeah, available are, we'll just paste it here. This is how we will paste this one. We'll just make this one smaller and this one also to fix within the width of the column, just like that. And then they said here, make sure the table fits in the column. Data is extract does not contain a title, and then all required fields are displayed in the full, and apply the TA table style, they said. We'll select this one and we will apply to it the TA table style, just like that. Now you need to check if the data can be arranged in a way that the data is not, I mean data is not wrapped, text is not wrapped. So this is what we have now in this table, and that's all. And next step is that spell check and proofread the document. So we'll just click on F7 button to spell check. So we ignore this one, and vacancy ID we ignore this one as well, and just click on OK. So document 2 part is here done, and this we need to print only this one. So just we need to save and print this document. And after that, they said here in step 28, many jobs are now being replaced by IT system. Evaluate in your own words the effects of IT on potential employment for these appearances. So we need to just type our evidence in evidence 11 here. So the first of all, we can just say that fewer jobs available as taken over by robots, computer controlled warehouses, and then after labor intensive work, it's already been taken by the machines. And then after reduction in manual workers, and also creation of new ICT jobs, increase in jobs in writing software, software programs, and then also increase in job related to maintenance of robots, and increase in job relating web designers and advertising, and also increase in job of computer engineer, project managers, and system analysis Yeah, so this is what we got. So that's all from the document part of this question paper. There are so many other you can just also write, like the people got the hacker's job and the people they got to train the people for new technology, database administrators, part-time, full-time jobs. You can mention that also. So that's all from this part of the question paper. Hope you have understand how to deal with the document. So thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.